I'm putting Kegel exercises to the test to see if they really can improve my sex life now that I'm over 40. As men, we're often told that our sexual health is something we just have to accept as we age. But what if I told you there's a simple exercise that can help boost your libido, improve your erections, and even increase your overall sexual satisfaction? One of the biggest challenges men over 40 face is erectile dysfunction. It's estimated that over 40% of men in this age group experience some form of ED, and it's not just about being able to get an erection, it's about being able to maintain it. And then there's decreased libido, which can be just as frustrating for men and their partners. It's not just about the physical act of sex, it's about the emotional connection and intimacy that comes with it. Another issue many men over 40 face is premature ejaculation. This can be especially embarrassing and can really take a toll on a guy's confidence. And let's not forget about the feeling of fatigue and low energy that can come with age. When you're not feeling your best physically, it can be tough to get in the mood for sex. And even when you are in the mood, it can be hard to perform at your best. All of these challenges can really take a toll on a guy's self-esteem and can even lead to depression and anxiety. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. There are ways to improve your sexual health, and one of the most effective ways is through Kegel exercises. So, what are Kegel exercises and how do they work? Essentially, Kegels are a type of pelvic floor exercise that target the muscles that control your erection, orgasm, and bladder function. When you do Kegels regularly, you're strengthening these muscles, which can lead to improved blood flow, stronger erections, and even more intense orgasms. And the best part is, you can do Kegels anywhere, anytime. They're totally discreet. One of the most significant benefits of Kegel exercises is improved pelvic floor strength. When your pelvic floor muscles are weak, it can lead to erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and even incontinence. But when you strengthen these muscles, you're giving yourself a better chance of performing at your best in the bedroom. And it's not just about sex. Strong pelvic floor muscles can also improve your overall core strength and stability. I've heard from guys who have seen significant improvements in their sexual health after starting a regular Kegel routine. One guy I talked to said that after just a few weeks of doing Kegels, he noticed a huge increase in his libido and was able to get harder, longer-lasting erections. Another guy said that Kegels helped him overcome premature ejaculation and was able to last longer in bed. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who did pelvic floor exercises for 3 months saw significant improvements in their erectile function and overall sexual satisfaction. Another study found that Kegels can even help improve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition that affects many men over 40. In conclusion, Kegel exercises are a simple yet effective way to improve your sexual health and overall well-being. Whether you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, or just want to boost your libido, Kegels can help. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any personal testimonials or questions about Kegel exercises, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on men's health and wellness. I'll catch you in the next video.